Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad you're here. So if you want to know more about this hair that I'm rocking, how about you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, so today's video is brought to you by Wigencounters, and this is the card that came with the hair. So the hair is 100% Brazilian human hair, and the color, it doesn't say what color it is. It just says same as the picture. It is 22 inches. It has 150 density. And for cap construction, it's a 13 by 5 T-part glueless lace front. And it has baby hair. And it comes with a natural pre-plucked hairline. And it has a Swiss lace as a soft lace. And it came in this nice cute silky silk bag, and it has Wigencounters. So I just want to tell Wigencounters, thank you for sending me this unit for review. I appreciate it. And the starting price for this unit is $149, and that's 12 inch, and mine is 22 inches, so that is $334. Yows, that's expensive. That is expensive. Would I buy a wig that expensive? No, at least not with my money. Maybe with my husband's money, I definitely will. But yeah, this is what she looks like. This is this color. It has the highlight colors on it, which looks nice. And this is the cap construction. It comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it also came with this, which is the elastic band thingy, which I'm gonna be using it. I love that. And the cap is and it has a comb right there. And this is what she looks like. That's the parting space. It is middle part. It comes with middle part, which is cool. So I'm getting few strands. It's like shedding just a little bit, but I'm gonna put it on and I'll show you how she looks before I start, playing with her. Yeah, so this is what she looks like on me. I like the color. I feel like the color is a little too close to my complexion, so I don't know, but I think I like it. What do you guys think? Do you like it on me? But I feel like I wish I knew exactly what the color was. But this is the hairline. And that's it. And I like the little dark root part, which is nice. And I got some shedding, like I got that much shedding so far. And yeah, she's definitely shedding. For it to be human hair and it's shedding like that, I mean, I know that it had to be processed and color and all that. Maybe that's why it's shedding, but I don't like the fact that it's shedding. Like, why are you shedding? Like, no. And one thing I would say, the cap, it feels very snug on my hair. Like, I feel like it could be a little tighter. And I don't know, I don't like the stuff. But yeah, this is what she looks like. One thing I would say is that she does not look like the picture, because this is the picture. Like, do you see that? I would try to insert it. This is what it looks like on the model. And I don't think the curls on mine are falling like that. You see that? It's not it's not falling like that. It doesn't look the same. And this is all the hair. This is all the hair. Look at the, what is the curls doing? I don't know. But I'm gonna go cut the lace and play with it, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay? Okay.
Still remember back in the day, first riding an open sleigh. I was a child, I was the kind who smiled. The night before Christmas Day, weary thoughts to won't go away. What a night, we stayed up all night. Now it seems like no one's gonna wait for it. Oh, it's gonna be alright if you just hold tight. You have to wait until tomorrow. You know he's on his way, and on Christmas Day, and there'll be no worry and no more sorrow.
Okay guys, so this is what this hair looks like after I cut the lace, and I put powder in the middle, and I try to widen the part a little bit, but this is the best I could do. And I feel like with the lace, it blended well into my skin, which is nice. I love that. And it was shedding before I even cut it, and I did a little bit of cutting, a little too much. I cut the ear tabs, try to like make it fit around my ears, and I feel like it's sitting on my hair nicely because I didn't glue it down. I'm not about that glue life yet. But the color, I don't know. I don't know. Tell me guys, like, how does this color look nice on me? I feel like I want to like it, but I feel like it's just a little too close to my complexion, just a little tad bit. So I don't know, but I think I look cute in it though. I look cute, that's for sure. So for the hair, I feel like it's with the density, it's nice. It's nice. Okay, that's all I can say. And for the price now, for this hair, for $334, do I think it's worth that price? Honestly, I don't think it is. I'm sorry. I feel like it could be a little bit, it shouldn't be shedding for that amount of price. Like, honey, that's a lot of money. Even though I didn't pay for it, but still you guys might end up buying it, and I don't think it's worth the price. Like, it was shedding, and it just didn't look like the picture. This is the curls on the bottom, and it's pretty long, 22 inches. It's long. I like how the lace melted in my skin perfectly, and the cap is fitting me snugly. And I ended up putting my wig grip on because it was a little loose and I didn't want to glue it down, so I put my wig grip on. And with the wig grip, it feels very nice. So it'll be big hair friendly. I think it'll be big hair friendly. So, like, which is nice. I like it. Look at that. Like, that's like, I like it, you know. For the starting price, $149, I think it's worth that price. But if you add all the customization and then the price goes up, it's not worth it. You might as well just get you yourself like Her Given Hair or some of those companies, you know. But I'm sure they have other wigs on their site, so you can definitely look around and see what you like. I'm pretty sure you can find something that you like and it's in your price range. But I like it. I like it. I don't know. Let me know what you think about the color. I wish I knew exactly what color this was. But yeah, so like, yeah. Oh, and there'll be a discount code in the comment section, in the description box. Make sure you use it because the code is only for a month. So check the description box and you can take advantage of that. Okay, and I want to tell Wigencounters thank you for sending me this unit. So yeah, bye. What? But I'll make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, everything. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.